All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, Manova Market, and welcome to the E-mini morning call. All right, uh, this is a 20-day profile. I'm showing you right here, 2059.63 is the 20-day mode. Bottom of value is 2041. Top is 2079. So basically, we've been stuck in that range. So I wanted to point that out to you. I wanted to show you that this is going to coincide with the fact that yesterday we sat in this area from 77 up to 80 half basically, and finally at the end of the day we broke. Remember, I'm still of the mode that I think that we have to fill in these single prints. The key this morning will be taking out the Globex low. We got pivots at 66 to 64, and then if we can get through that 66 area, I think then we're going to be heading for these prints at 59 all the way down to 49 half. Okay, which I think they're going to have to correct before we can make any substantial move back up to the upside, because that is not a very good foundation. I'll put the I'm going to put the 30-minute up here just because I want to show you value area low and high and so on. All right. So we're trading below value, 2071 and a quarter. All right. Okay. And then we've got the top of value at up here at 2081 and a quarter, and or actually 2080.75. And then we've got the point of control at 2079.75. We're going to use 2066 as the bull bear zone right down here, 2066. All right. And this goes back to the fact I said we have to take out the 66. We'd have to take out 64 to 62 to keep going down on the downside. All right. As far as news this morning, um, nothing really. EI Petroleum at 9:30, 10-year note, 12 p.m. Central Time, and then FOMC minutes get released at 1 p.m. And unless they put a ventriloquist in there, it's still the same old bullshit. That means we're not going to raise rates until economic data says that. But the other side of the coin is, if you own the hot dog stand and someone came in and said, "How much is your hot dog?" and you said 250, you said, "No, I'll pay you $4." Right? No one would do that. Well, that's the same thing with our bonds right now. Everybody's buying our bonds with the rates at 1.75. Why? And it's not us. And it's not us. So if it's not us and other people are supporting our debt, why raise rates? Okay? Okay? It's a simple supply demand. First year economics student would learn that anywhere in any college, unless you're in communist college, I guess. I don't know. All right. So, on to oil. Okay. Oil, as far as I'm concerned, is still moving down. We're going to have to take out this bottom of value. If we do take the bottom of value out, I think we're moving down to this zone of 51.31 to 50.71. The other issue with oil is going to be right up here at the top. All right, we got everything sitting here. 53.82 top of value, 53.98, and 53.93 will be the bull bear zone. So, if we fail to take this out, it may go up there and test this, but this is really going to be strong resistance today, and we're going to have to take that out to move oil down. Okay, I'd stay on the sideline until the petroleum report comes out, and go from there. All right. Then we got bonds. Okay, the same old thing, right? Bonds went that screaming down here because of the unemployment report and whatever. But I'm going to tell you right now, it's the same old, same old. We are not going to raise rates until we have to. 64.14 top, 64 point of control, 64.24. Something's wrong with my data here, but I have 64.25. 64.25 is the bull bear zone. So I'd be looking for bonds to make a move up. All right. Gold, we got a bullish bias on gold. Gold came down now, kind of filled the gap over here that it was left a couple of days ago. It was at 1, 2, 3 days ago. Kind of filled the gap. We've got 1209 is the bottom of value. 1210.50 bull bear zone. 1212 point of control, and 1213.10 will be the top of value. So that's what we got going on. All right, everybody. Just recapping here. Let me go. I got all the sisters. I've got the 5 minute pivot in the Nasdaq in a buy. I've got the Russell in a buy. I've got the Dow in a sell, and we're in a sell. ES in a sell. So sort of a mixed opening this morning. All right. But once again, I'm looking for the market to fill in the single prints. If we cannot take out the Globex low, then look for the market to rally up to the top end of the zone today and kind of jerk us around like it did yesterday, setting that basically 404 to 400 point range, and then at the end of the day, it's decided to make the move. All right. Let me throw the 5 minute pivot up here to give you an idea I think we're at 72. But we do have an hourly pivot and a 15 minute pivot sitting at between 66 and I'm sorry, 64 and 62. So that's going to be the key this morning. All right. And then 2072 is where our 5 minute pivot's sitting. All right, everybody. Have a good day trading. Good luck. Remember, find us on Twitter and get your updates. manovamarket.com. Bye.